Hello folks, today I'm fitting new rear brake pads to this Hyundai Trajet. The caliper bolts are 14mm, and the good news is that the pistons in these calipers are not wind back pistons, they're straight pushbacks. You can push them back with a screwdriver. That's because the pads only operate the back brakes. The actual hand brake operates a pair of shoes inside the combined disc and drum, and we won't be going near that today. Old and new brake pad compared. Pushing the caliper piston back to make room for the new brake pads, and as I mentioned, these are easy pushbacks. You don't need a wind back tool for this. Copper grease on the backs of the pads will prevent squealing or squeaking. The brake pad with the metal clip goes on the inside, and the clip should be at the top. If you need to ask any questions about this job, you're very welcome to come over to our forum at DIYcarguides.com. Once I have both back wheels done and everything bolted up, all I need to do is pump the brake pedal to bed the brake pads in and then check the brake fluid level. That's all for this time folks. Thanks very much for watching.